Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to make this Frankenstein cup cozy. To start with brown and chain 38. Join it with a slip stitch into the first chain to form a ring. Chain 1, single crochet into the next stitch, chain 1, skip a stitch, and repeat that. So single crochet into the next stitch, chain 1, skip a stitch on your original chain and single crochet into the next stitch, chain 1, repeat 17 times, end with a single crochet in the next stitch and join with a slip stitch to the very first single crochet. On the last single crochet, change to green, then slip stitch to join the circle and chain 1. Repeat what you've done in the first round, single crochet, chain 1, skip a stitch, and single crochet into the next stitch with green yarn. For this round, when you single crochet, you'll be single crocheting into the chain 1 space from the round before. For rounds 3 to 10, repeat the sequence all the way around. For round 12, chain 1, single crochet in the next stitch, then single crochet below the next stitch. Instead of single crocheting into the single crochet in the last round, move your hook down a row and single crochet into that stitch. Repeat this 17 more times, ending with a single crochet in the last stitch. Slip stitch to join. Then you're going to repeat the same row that you did for the green. Chain 1, single crochet in the next stitch, chain 1, skip a stitch, single crochet in the next stitch, and so on for 2 more rows. Slip stitch to join, fasten off, and sew in all the tails. For the bolts, take your gray yarn and make a magic circle with 4 single crochets in it. For rows 2 to 4, single crochet all the way around. Finish off and leave a long tail for sewing. Make a second bolt the same way and sew it to the sides of your cup cozy. Next we'll work on the bow tie. Take your purple and chain 15. Double crochet into the 3rd chain from the hook. Double crochet into the next 3 chains. Half double crochet in the next chain. Single crochet in the next chain. Slip stitch in the next chain. Single crochet in the next chain. Half double crochet in the next chain, double crochet in the next 4 chains, chain 2 and turn, double crochet in the next 4 stitches, half double crochet in the next stitch, single crochet in the next stitch, slip stitch in the next stitch, single crochet in the next stitch, half double crochet in the next stitch, and double crochet in the last 4 stitches. Fasten off and leave a long tail for sewing. Fold your bow in half and sew the ends together. Then open your piece up flat. And wrap your yarn around the middle to make it a bow. With the rest of the yarn, sew it to the cozy. Lastly, embroider a smile, a scar, and attach your eyes. And there you have your Frankenstein cup cozy. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye!